If you're familiar with this platform, then you know that this is actually a very cool, amazing tool out there that you can leverage right now. But if you're not familiar with the platform called Canva.com, this is absolutely an amazing platform that you can utilize to create cool and amazing images right now. You can just simply utilize it yourself to go on to creating cool images and editing that right there. You can also utilize it for video creation right now. It's a cool editing tool that you can actually leverage right now for both images and videos right here. You can create some cool contents like flyers, designs for t-shirts, and a lot more cool and amazing stuff. This platform actually got you covered right here. Canva will help you do all that right now. And guys, you can also go on to utilizing the platform called Canva to make money. Now supposing I want to just simply go on to searching for something, maybe I want to create a YouTube kind of thumbnail, I want to create a logo right now, I can actually just simply go on to searching for logo right here in this particular set section, and I'll be able to see a lot of already made logo templates right now that you can actually go on to seeing right here. You could go on to editing any of the template that you can see right now, edit that to your preference and utilize. Now supposing I just select this logo right here, you can actually see that it's having a crown in this particular section, meaning that this is actually for pro subscribers on the platform called Canva. So if I select this right now, I can actually just simply go on to clicking on customize to customize this. I can select any one of my choice, click on customize. It's gonna take me to that page right there where I can actually just simply edit that particular logo based on my preference right now. Now supposing I want to change the text right now, as you can see the text is actually Danny. I can actually change this to OJ marketing, and if I do change this to something like this right now, as you can see, I can make this bold right here, and you can see how cool it looks like. And you can just simply go on to changing this original text right here to something like so if I change it to something like this, as you can see, a logo has actually been created right now just by doing something similar to this. You can just simply click on share. You can actually go on to downloading this to your device on any format of your choice by clicking on the download section, select the format and download to your device. Now there are a lot of cool templates which you can utilize right here. There are a lot of elements which you can also utilize, text tools, brand uploads, and a lot more cool stuff right there that this AI tool actually has access to, and you can leverage that right now. But the cool thing about this is that you can actually go on to making money with this platform right here just by becoming a Canvassador. And if you don't know what a Canvassador actually is, a Canvassador is someone that is actually an ambassador to Canva right now. And you can actually scroll through and you'll be able to see more details about the Canvassador program. You can see that it says the Canvassador program primary mission is to empower content creators, enabling them to inspire and uplift people around the globe, especially within the Canva community. They empower Canvassador excel in simplifying simple or simplex tasks on Canva, creating tutorial courses and workshops around our products and features that makes it easy for others to understand and upskill effortlessly. And this is actually a very cool kind of program right here, and you can see the people that are actually eligible to become a Canvassador right now. There are people that are actually social media content creators, workshops and webinar facilitators, podcasters and course development. They are course developers right there. These are actually people that will benefit the most from becoming Canvassadors right now on such kind of platform. You can also see right here that platforms that you can easily go on to promoting Canva on, and there are platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook and LinkedIn. Now what this actually involves is just you becoming an affiliate for Canva right now and go on to promoting that right there, which is Canva, your unique affiliate link on Canva on such platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook and LinkedIn. And if you're promoting that, guys, you may actually be needing to create a sample content right now. Maybe if you're a social media content creator, that will be easier for you. If you're actually a workshop, webinar facilitator, podcaster or course developer, that will be easier for you right now. That is why this is actually recommended for these kinds of individuals right there. You can scroll through and you can actually see the requirement for Canva right now, or some requirement right now, which are the live or leave the Canva values, be an independent creator, have an active and engaged audience, commit to creating at least one piece of Canva related content per month, which may actually include social media tutorial, workshop, webinar, course, podcast, etc. and to be shared on one of the specified platforms which I showed you earlier, such as Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, and other social media platforms right there. And you also need to agree to abide and follow the Canva branding and NDA guidelines. And here are actually some of the perks to joining becoming a Canvassador is that you can actually get a Canvassador badge. You can actually get the beta test opportunities on future release, educational workshops and webinar opportunities to collaborate with Canva, weekly updates, highlighting recent releases and updates from the program members, and a lot of other cool stuff right there on Canva, such as affiliate perks right here, which you can actually go on to earning some cool cash right there once you promote the Canva affiliate link and people go on to subscribing to Canva utilizing your unique affiliate link for the pro version right now, the pro account right now. That's absolutely quite cool because you're going to get some cool affiliate commission right now. And the thing about this is that the registration to become a Canvassador is actually closed right now, but this will actually reopen in the month of March 2024. So you can actually do that right now, register to become a Canvassador and go on to promoting such content right now. Now supposing guys you are actually want to promote, or you actually want to promote a content, and I come onto YouTube right here and search for Canva, you can see a lot of people are actually creating content about Canva right now. This person right here actually went on to getting about 2.2 thousand views right now on just one single video that was posted 23 hours ago on Canva. That's absolutely quite cool right now, as with this right here, this person can become a Canva as ambassador or a Canvassador right there, promote that particular link to their affiliate program in the description of their video right now, and go on to making cool money once people go on to purchasing or registering for the paid plan on Canva right now. Scrolling through guys, you can see a lot of people are actually getting a lot of cool views on Canva related content. This person is actually getting about, or got about 255,000 views for just this single video right now. Scrolling through, you can see a lot of cool views that people are getting on their Canva videos right now. So this is an easy way which you can actually go on to becoming a Canva ambassador and making money online. Just simply go on to generating cool and amazing content that you could easily go on to promoting on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube right here, like you're seeing right now. And once you do get some cool content or create yours yourself, you can also promote your Canvassador link right now and make money with that, as you're going to be getting some commissions once people actually do purchase that particular platform or that particular pro plan using your unique affiliate link. And right now guys, there's not a specific fixed plan or fixed amount right now so that you're going to be making per conversion right there, but that should actually be a certain percentage right now from the pro plan package right there. So you can actually just simply promote this as much as possible and make money as a Canvassador right now on such platforms. Now if the video was helpful to you guys, you can actually hit the like button to the video. You can also go onto my channel OJ Marketing and make sure you actually check out the videos on my channel, because I usually create videos about ways to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel, there are a lot of videos to help you out. You could also go on to hitting the like button like I say to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all so that you always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos that could help you make extra income online. With that being said, thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.